Siargao, a teardrop-shaped island in the Philippine Sea, has quickly become a global hotspot. Known for its stunning natural beauty, this island is a paradise for those seeking both adventure and relaxation. The island's unique shape and its pristine beaches have made it a favorite destination for travelers from all corners of the globe. It is known for its laid-back charm. The locals here live a simple yet fulfilling life, often seen enjoying the serene beaches and the calm turquoise waters. The island's atmosphere is infectious, encouraging visitors to slow down and savor each moment. Its turquoise waters and lush landscapes enchant visitors. The vibrant greenery of the palm trees contrasts beautifully with the clear blue waters, creating a picturesque scene that feels almost otherworldly. Whether you're lounging on the beach or exploring the island's interior, the natural beauty of Siargao is ever present. The island offers a unique blend of adventure and tranquility. For the thrill seekers, there are numerous activities such as surfing, diving, and island hopping. Meanwhile, those looking for peace and quiet can find solace in the island's many secluded spots, perfect for meditation or simply unwinding. Siargao promises an unforgettable escape. Iconic spots like Cloud 9, known for its world-class surfing waves, and the Macpupunco rock pools offer unique experiences that leave a lasting impression. The island's diverse landscapes ensure that every visitor finds something to marvel at. Surfers were among the first to discover Siargao's magic. Drawn by the promise of perfect waves, they flocked to the island, bringing with them a sense of adventure and a love for the ocean. Their early morning surf sessions have become a quintessential part of Siargao's identity. They arrived seeking perfect waves and a connection with nature. The surf culture here is strong, with a deep respect for the ocean and the environment. Surfers and locals alike work together to preserve the island's natural beauty, ensuring that Siargao remains a paradise for future generations. The island's reputation grew through word of mouth. Stories of its beauty and charm spread quickly, attracting more and more visitors each year. The sense of community among the locals and the welcoming atmosphere make Siargao a place where everyone feels at home. Soon, travelers from all over the world were drawn to its shores. The island's diverse visitors bring with them a variety of cultures and experiences, enriching the local community and creating a vibrant multicultural atmosphere. Siargao has become a melting pot of ideas and traditions, all united by a love for the island. Siargao welcomes those seeking adventure and those seeking respite in equal measure. Whether you're here to conquer the waves, explore the lush landscapes, or simply relax on the beach, Siargao offers something for everyone. Its unique blend of excitement and tranquility ensures that every visitor leaves with unforgettable memories. Imagine yourself lifted by the gentle hum of a drone. The world below begins to shrink as you rise higher and higher, leaving behind the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of the ocean, mingling with the earthy aroma of the tropical forest. You feel a sense of freedom, as if you are a bird soaring effortlessly through the sky. You ascend above the swaying palm trees. Their fronds dance gracefully in the wind, creating a mesmerizing pattern of green waves. The sunlight filters through the leaves, casting dappled shadows on the ground below. It's a scene of serene beauty, a perfect blend of nature's elements. Siargao unfolds beneath you in all its glory. The island is a patchwork of lush greenery, sparkling waters, and pristine beaches. Each element comes together to create a harmonious landscape that is both captivating and tranquil. You can see the intricate details of the island's topography, from the rolling hills to the winding rivers that snake their way through the terrain. The drone's eye view reveals the island's true splendor. From this vantage point, you can appreciate the full scope of Siargao's natural beauty. The vibrant colors of the landscape are more vivid than ever, with the deep blues of the ocean contrasting sharply with the lush greens of the forest. It's a sight that takes your breath away. Coral reefs shimmer beneath the surface. These underwater gardens are teeming with life. Their vibrant colors and intricate structures a testament to the wonders of the natural world. The reefs are a vital part of the island's ecosystem, providing shelter and sustenance for a myriad of marine creatures. The intricate network of islands and islets dot the azure expanse. Each one is a unique gem, with its own distinct character and charm. Some are covered in dense vegetation, while others are little more than sandy atolls. Together, they form a stunning mosaic that stretches as far as the eye can see. The drone glides over the dense mangrove forests. These vital ecosystems are a haven for wildlife, their tangled roots providing shelter for countless species. The mangroves are a crucial part of the island's natural defenses, protecting the coastline from erosion and storm surges. You spot hidden lagoons, their waters an impossible shade of emerald. These secluded spots are like nature's secret hideaways, offering a tranquil escape from the outside world. The lagoons are surrounded by lush vegetation, their still waters reflecting the beauty of the landscape around them. The drone follows the coastline. The shoreline is a dynamic boundary where land meets sea, constantly shaped and reshaped by the forces of nature. Waves crash against the rocks, sending up plumes of spray, while gentle tides lap at the sandy beaches. It's a place of constant change and endless fascination. White sand beaches stretch like ribbons, kissed by the gentle caress of the waves. These pristine shores are the epitome of tropical paradise, their soft sands inviting you to walk barefoot and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. The rhythmic sound of the waves creates a soothing soundtrack, lulling you into a state of relaxation. From this vantage point, Siargao is a breathtaking tapestry of nature's artistry. Every element, from the smallest leaf to the vast expanse of the ocean, is a brushstroke in a masterpiece that has been millions of years in the making. It's a reminder of the incredible beauty and diversity of our planet, and the importance of preserving these natural wonders for future generations to enjoy. Siargao is a surfer's paradise. The island is renowned for its consistent swells and world-class breaks. Cloud 9, the most famous wave, is a surfer's dream. It is a powerful and challenging wave that attracts experienced riders from around the globe. But Siargao offers waves for everyone. Beginners can find their footing in the gentler waters of Jacking Horse. More experienced surfers can test their skills at Quicksilver and Stimpy's. The thrill of catching a wave is exhilarating. The camaraderie among surfers is infectious. While surfing might be Siargao's claim to fame, the island offers a wealth of other aquatic adventures. Kayaking through the mangrove forests is a serene experience. Paddle through tranquil waterways, discover hidden coves, and observe the rich biodiversity of this unique ecosystem. Island hopping is a must-do activity. Take a boat trip to nearby islands, swim in the crystal-clear waters of Naked Island, snorkel amongst the vibrant coral gardens of Daku Island, relax on the pristine shores of Guam Island. Each island offers its own unique charm. Life on Siargao moves at a different pace. Unlike the hustle and bustle of city life, here, time seems to stretch and slow down, allowing you to savor each moment. The island's charm lies in its unhurried lifestyle, where the days are long and the nights are serene. It's slower, more relaxed, more in tune with the rhythms of nature. The gentle sway of the palm trees, the soft rustle of leaves, and the distant hum of the ocean waves create a symphony that soothes the soul. Here you can truly disconnect from the chaos of modern life and reconnect with the natural world. Days begin with the sunrise. As the first light of dawn breaks over the horizon, the island awakens in a gentle embrace of warmth and light. The sunrise is not just a spectacle, it's a daily ritual that marks the beginning of new adventures and possibilities. The air is filled with the sound of waves crashing and birdsong. These natural melodies form the backdrop of everyday life, providing a constant reminder of the island's connection to the sea and sky. The rhythmic sounds are a soothing balm, inviting you to slow down and listen. Locals and visitors alike greet each other with warm smiles. The sense of community is palpable, and the friendliness is infectious. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a long-time resident, the warmth of the people makes you feel instantly at home. The island has a strong sense of community. People come together to celebrate, to support one another, and to share in the joys and challenges of island life. This close-knit community is the heart and soul of Siargao, and it's what makes the island truly special. Locals are welcoming and hospitable. They take pride in their island and are eager to share its beauty and culture with visitors. Their hospitality is not just a gesture, it's a way of life that reflects the island's values of kindness and generosity. They are eager to share their culture and traditions. From traditional dances to handcrafted goods, the island's rich cultural heritage is on full display. These traditions are not just preserved, they are celebrated and passed down through generations. Spend an afternoon at a local market. Here you'll find a vibrant array of sights, sounds, and smells. The market is a bustling hub of activity, where locals and visitors alike come to shop, to eat, and to socialize, sample fresh seafood and tropical fruits. The island's bounty is on full display, with an abundance of fresh, locally sourced produce. From succulent seafood to exotic fruits, the the flavors of Siargao are a feast for the senses. Engage in conversation with the friendly vendors. They are more than happy to share stories about their products, their lives, and their island. These interactions add a personal touch to your experience, making your visit to the market more than just a shopping trip. It's a cultural exchange. Section 6. Feasts for the senses. Siargao's culinary scene is as diverse as its landscape. Fresh seafood is abundant. Indulge in grilled tuna or kinalaw, a Filipino ceviche. Sample local specialties like pan de coco, which is coconut bread, and halo halo, a refreshing dessert. As the sun begins its descent, head to one of the many beachfront restaurants. Savor a delicious meal as you watch the sky erupt in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The combination of delicious food and stunning views is simply magical. Section 7. Beneath a starry canopy. As darkness descends, Siargao transforms once again. The sky explodes in a million twinkling stars. Away from the city lights, the constellations are breathtakingly clear. Find a secluded spot on the beach and lie back. Lose yourself in the vastness of the cosmos. The sound of the waves provides a soothing soundtrack. The gentle sea breeze carries the scent of salt and tropical flowers. This is the perfect time for reflection. Let the tranquility of Siargao wash over you. Section 8. Siargao's embrace lingers. As your journey comes to an end, you'll carry a piece of Siargao with you. The island's beauty, its people, its energy will stay with you long after you've left its shores. Siargao has a way of capturing hearts. It's a place where you can truly disconnect from the outside world. It's a place to reconnect with yourself and with nature. It's a place where you can simply be. Section 9. A journey for the soul. Siargao is more than just a destination. It's a journey for the soul. It's a place to escape, to explore, to discover. It's a place to find adventure and to find yourself. If you're seeking an authentic island experience, Siargao is calling. Answer the call, embrace the adventure, create memories that will last a lifetime.